Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly, you have to open your browser which you normally use. Then you have to tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data. Next you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. Browsing history, could cookies inside data, cached images and files, could be all of these, or you can just exclude some of those. And then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.